Hi, my name is Michaela, and I'm the Activities Manager here at Sun Outdoors Paso Robles. Thank you for booking your stay with us, and we're looking forward to seeing you. Here at the Welcome Center, you can rent things like our bicycles, our golf carts, and enjoy some amenities like our bocce ball courts, kids playground, as well as our largest dog park located just behind the building. Here at the Wellness Center, we have even more amenities for you to enjoy, including a lap pool, a hot tub, a gym, and a laundry facility. Right over here in this corner, we have our putting green, so you can bring your own golf clubs and golf balls, or we provide some for you. We have an amazing outdoor seating area. It includes an outdoor amphitheater that we provide live music for every Friday and Saturday. We also have a nice dining area, so you can grab your food at the bistro, come out here, have a drink, and enjoy your food. We have giant chess and checkers, and this is where we host our cornhole tournaments. And at the end of the day, sit next to the fire and take it all in. In Paso Robles, we have an array of attractions for you to visit, many of them wineries, including Eberly Winery, as well as other family attractions like the Ravine Water Park and the Warbird Museum, all of them within a short driving distance. Here at Sun Outdoors Paso Robles, we have 3 different site types for you to choose from for your RV camping. They're gonna offer some great spaces for you to get right next to your friends and family. We have many different types of vacation rentals. The 3 most common are the chalets, chateaus, and Tuscanies, all unique for your needs. No matter where you're at, you're gonna love your stay. Here at Sun Outdoors Paso Robles, our team is committed to ensuring that you have an amazing stay, just like our guest services supervisor, Michelle.
Thanks, Michaela. If there's anything we can do to make your stay more enjoyable, just let us know.
We're excited you booked your stay with us here at Sun Outdoors Paso Robles, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon.